All right, so here's what we're going to do is we're going to make a real quick block for pin and slot. So we're going to go to yours, you just open up the document. So all right, so let's open this. So we're in a new document. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to sketch on the top plane, press N for going normal to that plane, and then I'm going to make a center point rectangle, and I'm going to come to the origin, and I'm going to come out and I'm going to do about a 3x2 block, right? So this side I'm going to make 2, enter, make this side 3, enter. Now this size isn't critical. You could make it almost any size you want. Now we're going to extrude this block up. I'm going to turn it so you can see it a little bit. And I'm going to make it a 1/4 inch tall, right? Okay. Now I'm going to make a new sketch on the top of this block. I'm going to go normal to that, so we're looking straight down on the block. Now this time I'm going to grab a center point circle, and I'm going to come out and I'm going to make this. I'm going to make this 0.75. Why not? Now what we're going to do is we're going to do the same thing. We're going to click on there. We're going to extrude up. Inch. Sure, that sounds good. All right. Now I'm going to put a little bit of a chamfer on this edge. Not much. 0.05 inches. Click OK. So now there's our pin. Now I'm going to come down to the corner below me. I'm going to create another part studio. And we'll do this in the same part studio. Let's make this easy. All right. So we're going to make another sketch on this surface. This time, sure, I'm going to make this time I'm just going to make it like a 1x1. 1, enter, 1, enter. Now I could have done this. I'm going to go normal. I could have done this from the dimension tool. I'll do that next. So I'm going to click OK. Actually, no, I'm not. I'm going to edit this sketch. So right click, edit, and we'll do a center point circle. All right. And we're going to make this. Now, I'm going to show you. I'm going to come up here, grab the dimension tool, and make this 0.75. Enter, end that sketch. Then I'm going to extrude, but I'm going to extrude this up 1 inch. Sounds good. So now we have two parts, right? We have the pin and the block. Now, yeah. So I could have done that also in the second part studio, but that's fine. That's fine. That's all there is to it. That's all there is to making this.